Hello friends, this is Nisha. Welcome back to my channel Single Solution to All Problem. And today's topic is how you will make your 2-minute videos for the Vedantu selection. I have made two videos for the Vedantu. There is the Vedantu hiring part 1 and Vedantu hiring part 2. In part 1 I explain what is Vedantu, how you become a teacher with the Vedantu, how you register yourself, and what you will do next. In the second Vedantu hiring part 2, I have explained that when you register yourself with the Vedantu, then what happens next, how you will proceed further. And this is the third video. In the second video I explained that you need to submit a 2-minute video. This is their first selection criteria, that is the 2-minute story narration video is their first selection procedure. First they will select your video. If your video gets selected, then you can move further for the interview section, and further rounds they will move you to the other rounds. So it is their first selection criteria. So means first you need to submit their 2 minutes video. So here I am going to explain how you will make this 2-minute video. So here are some points which you need to keep in mind before making the video. So the first point is video should be in English, means you will narrate the story only in English. You cannot choose any Hindi story and you start narrating it in Hindi. You cannot narrate it in Hindi. So the video the story should be in English. It should be an English story and you will narrate it in English. And the second point is speak loudly. You should be audible. It is not feel like that you are doing the murmuring and you are not understandable. You are not audible and you are not understandable. So you should be audible and you should speak clearly, that you are understandable and you are clearly audible. So this is the second point. Third point is your background should be clear. It should be professional. It should look professional. And the fourth point is your attire should also be professional. You should also look little professional, not look some casual. You should not make the story in some casual attire. You should look professional. You are applying for a profession, so you should look professional. And the fifth point is there should be no back noise. Means it should not be like that you are making a video and something else is happening behind you, or that back noise is overtaking your noise, or means your voice is not audible, your back voice is audible. So there should be not back noise. And the sixth point is the video should be of only 2 minutes to 2.5 maximum. It should be 2.5 minutes. And the seventh point is which is very important and very main point is video should be in one go. Means you will start the video and you will end the video. You will not merge the short clips. Like when we are making a story narration video, we usually are in a habit that we start narrating the story, we forgot the story, we again check the story, and we make these small clips and we merge those clips. And also we start trying to make those video attractive. We add pictures behind these videos. Means if you are narrating the story of Thirsty Crow, so you add pictures behind that. Means you are editing the video. So they don't need the edited video. They don't need the edited video. They need a real-time video. Means like I am speaking now, so they need the real-time video. They means like if you are going for a live session, so there you cannot edit. What you are speaking, what you are doing is visible to all. So you need to narrate the story in that manner that you are doing a live session, because these are online learning platforms and they also means they teach the student in live platforms. So you need to narrate the story in such a way that you can handle the kids in a live session. And how you will behave in a live session means you are not feeling nervous. If you are feeling nervous in a live session, means you cannot speak in a one go. You cannot behave professionally in a live session. So means there is no benefit to hire you. So this is the most important point, that video should be in one go, or it should be an original video, not edited video, not any clips you edit or you merge these short clips. No, video should be in one go. like you are narrating the story, you are speaking with someone else, you are telling a story to some kids. मीन्स आप बच्चे के सब स्टोरी नरेट करते हैं, तो आप ऐसा नहीं है कि आप बुक में से देखना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं या कहीं और से. मीन्स यू शुड नरेट द स्टोरी इन अ सिंगल गो, लाइक यू आर डूइंग इन अ लाइव सेशन विद द स्टूडेंट. सो दिस इज द मोस्ट important point. And the eighth point is, don't read the story. We are in a habit, we feel nervous because we came to know that it should be a live session. You cannot merge the short clips. It should be like a live session. So no one will tell you these things, the things which is I am telling you, no one will tell you these things. These are the very important point, very basic points, but very important point to get your video selected. So I hope you all will subscribe me, because you all are watching the video but not subscribing. So I hope you all will subscribe, because you will not get these kinds of information on any other YouTube channel. This is me only giving you these kinds of information, so basic information and so much important information. So I think one subscribe I am also deserving. So I am also deserve one subscribe. So I hope you all will subscribe me. So don't read this story. You cannot read this story. Like, this is my camera and I can put the story written on a paper behind the camera and I start reading. Once upon a time there was a crow and it was very thirsty. So how it will feel? You can imagine how it is feeling that I am reading. So you should have eye contact. They are checking this. They are not checking that you can read. They are checking that you can have eye contact. You are so much confident that you can speak with eye contact. They are going to check your eye contact. So you have to make eye contact, proper eye contact with yourself in the camera. And so please don't read this story, because if you read this story you cannot make the eye contact. First thing. Second thing, it is not they are checking your reading, because you don't need to read the news. You have to teach the students. You have to make the students understandable. You have to make the concept clear to the student, and you can only make the concept clear to the student when you have the proper eye contact with the student, and when you have the proper knowledge in your mind. So if you cannot learn a 2-minute video, and if you cannot keep a 2-minute video in your mouth, so how you will teach any big subject, any math, science, English, any other subject to students? So means your mind is empty. If you cannot keep the 2-minute video in your mind, so means it what? Your mind is empty. You cannot keep anything in your mind. So just be careful about this thing. Don't read this story. Yes, you can keep the paper at back or at the back side of your phone or your camera, but can check, like I am speaking with you and seeing like this, it is okay, but don't think you start reading. Don't narrate the story like the teacher narrates you in when you were in KG class. So these are all the points